Welcome Inskillers to the fifth session of our second module, and I am very confident that you have been using your emotional vocabulary to strengthen your communication skills. But I wonder how many of you have thought about the other fundamentals of communication skills. Yes, I'm referring to writing skills. Whether it is an application for a leave, or writing a blog for your college, or even writing a cover letter for a job, and maybe pitching an idea to the potential investor later in your life, writing skills will create an impact and influence for you. Good writing focuses on what the reader needs. Many of us have learned to write in schools where our effort has always been to show how much we know about the material and to show how best we are. Unlike that, a professional writing is not about you, but it is about what the audience need. And so, to put the audience first will require some practice. The following points will help you better your writing skills. Number one, share your main point. Start by sharing the most important information. Think about what is it that you want to say and make it simpler and straightforward. Let them know what you're offering and give them the points that you want them to take an action. Point number two, keep it simple. Use short sentences, everyday words, and clear grammar. Break down your complex words into simpler ones and do not write more than what your reader needs. And so, the simpler the words, the bigger the impact. Point number three is use the active voice. The active voice signals directness and gets your message across faster and efficiently. It avoids the reader's confusion since the passive voice is unnecessarily wordy. So, instead of saying that the excellent communicators are found in Inspiria students, rather you could say that Inspiria students are excellent communicators. And the last point is delete unnecessary words. Keep the words that you require and cut those, eliminate those that you do not require. For example, words such as basically, actually, generally. If you don't need it, please don't use it. Cultivating this skill will not only save you your time, but will also help you build your reputation and will help you to articulate your thoughts and ideas clearly and have a greater impact and influence. And so, let's remember the 4 points once again. Share your ideas, keep it simple, use inactive words, and to delete unnecessary words. Learning is most effective when we apply it. So let's meet in the class, let's deliberate more closely on these points and use it for our activity today. See you.